Manipur popular government ama semnabagi damakta MLA Nifu Mari ready da laire haina Hairo Kendragi MLA Thokjom Radesh yamna fongdokre. Hairiba wafam asi Manipur da tongan ba civil society organization sing Mairapaibi loop sing amadi tongan ba satragi loop sing loinana Manipur gi miyamna Manipur da popular government ama thamgadabani makhatana Manipur da president role thamba yaroi haibagi demand kaya ama lairingai talakasida ngasi ruling gi MLA tarana governor ga unaduna government semnaba stake claim tawkre. Hairiba stake claim tawriba asida MLA Thokjom Radesh yamna fongdorakpagi matung inna MLA tara asina MLA Nifu Mari gi mahut sinduna governor bu unarubani MLA Nifu Marina sarkar sembada support tawnabagi damakta ready da laire atuba matamda sarkar semnabagi damak governor da hairamle haina governor unaruraba matungda press da piba warol amada fongdorakhibani.
Interest of Prajagi, interest of Manipur, interest of the way about the winning state claim, my dear. Sakar Semba is a central leadership and lower national party now. A point already the lady some kind of claim or some other. Karamakanaya and the Yogi Sakar Semba. Nifu Mari Sakar Semba and the Midu Canada, no Yara, no Yara, even Congress, the Manga, the appointed party, the Yoga, and the Moise Yadi, I have no money. Congress, the Congress, Honorable Speaker, no among the Woyna, Milliman, Unarabana, Punana. I don't know Sakar Semba, the Yada, the Kananta, Woyna, Sakar Semba, Yara, Amani Tam say any of Forbidden Way, and I can tell say any of Mamma, oh, permission to come on the way I don't. I do the Aquina, I don't know, experience of Mother. Some things are within our control, some things are beyond our control. Appointment of the appointment. Thank you.